welcome to Chemistryfied. In this video I am going to explain you overpotential. The overpotential of an electrochemical reaction may be defined as the difference between the potential of an electrode at which the reaction is actively taking place and another electrode which is at equilibrium potential for the same reaction. It means here electrode potential at which reaction is taking place actively is subtracted with equilibrium electrode potential. So it can be written as overpotential equal to electrode potential minus equilibrium potential, or overpotential may also be defined as the difference between the potential of an electrode when the gas evolution is actually observed and the theoretical reversible value for the same solution. There are two methods for measuring overpotential, namely direct method and commutator method. Factors affecting overpotential. There are 6 factors which affect the overpotential, which are current density, pH, temperature, impurity, pressure and surface area. So let us read. Current density. Overpotential omega increases with increasing current density I. Omega equals to A plus B log I, where A and B are constant. So as you can see that omega and I both are directly proportional to each other. So with increasing overpotential, current density will also increase. pH. The overpotential at most cathode are independent of hydrogen ion concentration over a large range of pH value in strongly acidic or alkaline solution. So we can say that overpotential is independent of hydrogen ion concentration, that is our pH. It is independent of pH. Temperature. Overpotential will decrease with increasing temperature. So we can say that overpotential and temperature both are inversely proportional to each other. With increasing overpotential, temperature will decrease. With increasing temperature, overpotential will increase. Overpotential is susceptible to the presence of impurities in the cathode material. So when impurity is present in the cathode material, overpotential will be affected. Pressure. At higher pressure, the overpotential is slightly affected, while at lower pressure it increases rapidly on the cathode of copper and nickel. So when our pressure is higher, it will be slightly affected or unaffected, but when our pressure is low, so overpotential will increase rapidly in case of nickel and copper cathode. Surface area. Overpotential will decrease with increasing effective surface area, which means that they both are inversely proportional to each other. With increasing overpotential, surface area will decrease, and with increasing surface area, overpotential will decrease. Importance of overpotential. The phenomena of overpotential is used in number of electrolytic processes. It also helps in industrial production of chlorine gas and sodium hydroxide by electrolysis of sodium chloride solution. There are 3 types of overpotential, namely hydrogen overpotential, oxygen overpotential and metal overpotential. So this is all about overpotential. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.